Hook's copy link command instantly creates a formatted link to the current item, whether it's a web page, file, or other object on your Mac. You can paste these links in your to-do list, notes, emails, or anywhere else. Here I've selected a PDF in the Finder. With a keyboard shortcut, Command-Shift-Space, up comes the Hook contextual window. I click on Hook's title bar, which always has the same name as the selection, and up comes Hook's title menu. I click on the copy link command, or just use Command-C. Now I move into my to-do list and paste the link. Now my to-do list has a link to a specific PDF that I need to read today. I can even use Hook when the file is open. So here I've opened the PDF in Skim. Again, I use the keyboard shortcut to bring up Hook. I click on the title bar, and up comes the title menu. I select the copy link command. Now I go back to my to-do list in Text Edit, but it could have been in any other app, and I simply paste the link. Of course, I can also invoke Hook in just about any web browser to get myself a fully formatted link to the current web page. That's something you've probably done thousands of times, but without Hook, it's time consuming. Hook's copy link command gives me a fully formatted HTTP link that I can paste anywhere. All of this is very useful because when the time comes to execute your to-do list, you don't need to look around for what you need to read, write, edit, or act on. You just click on the links. Even if you move the files or objects around that the links point to, the links will still work. You can even copy links to emails and put them in your to-do lists or send them to others. With Hook, you spend less time searching and more time being productive.